quite quitting, a buzzword these days, I would say. And my views over it, I would say, is it's a serious sign of dissatisfaction our employees are actually facing, or I would say they are suffering on a daily basis in different workplaces. The only way possible as an employer, what I feel, the only way possible out here is to avoid this culture, of course, is by reaching out to your employees, by making them feel appreciated about their work, not overburdening them with the different kind of duties and their work, and helping them maintain a work-life balance, and making them understand that mental health is the topmost priority for every individual, and making them a good productive person, and providing them a happy environment in different workplaces. That's all. That's what my views are over this quite quitting culture these days. So I would say, as an HR, as an employer, I would request every individual who's working in this same industry to provide a friendly and a very helpful environment to all the employees who are working for them. It's definitely going to help every individual in the organization. Thank you.